The next question is, if we have a higher budget, how would you select the keywords for ranking? This is a really good question. And what I would do in this case is I would look into what do I want to do? Do I want to produce more sales for something that I'm already converting on? Or do I want to produce more sales for something that I want to gain additional market share for? The way how I would look into it, what is the final goal? Is it that I'm going to create additional sales as profitable as possible? Or is it that I'm going to create profitable sales in the long run, but right now I'm just going to bid more aggressively? So that is the way how I'm seeing we've received additional budget, what to rank for. The second thing, let's go back to what ranking actually means. Ranking means nothing else than conversion for a specific keyword / search term in your search term reports. So the moment that you allocated, let's say $100 to one keyword, that it did convert it and it brought you sales, that is highly likelier that is going to help you rank versus you allocated that money to something that did not convert. So it's going to be important for you to know, did I actually rank or did I just spend money on something that now I have the data that it doesn't work for me? And then the third thing, what I would be looking into, I actually love to do both of these in the same time, but with limited budget. So I would allocate 80% on the things that I know already it works well, and I would duplicate the success. And then the 20% I would allocate for new campaigns where I want to get market share. We want to grow aggressively, then we would switch around the concept. But now that they understand that 80-20%, where would I spend the money on things that work? So I would pull the search term reports and see which are the keywords that are my top performing keywords. How could I duplicate the same success? For example, let's say that one keyword is bringing me sales that is a broad match. Can I add this as a broad modifier to bring more sales? Can I add this as an exact match? Can I add this in a phrase match? Can I bring the same keyword and right now maybe it's in sponsored products? Can I create a new company sponsor brand and push more for that keyword? Therefore, technically I'm going to rank more for it, right? So those would be the steps that I would be looking into rather than right away just gain more sales and then become more profitable.